republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much. Our next item is the open forum. Is anybody here to speak at the open forum tonight? Is anyone here for our open forum? Great. Seeing we have nobody here for our open forum, we will move to the approval of the minutes of the City Council work session of February 24th, 2020, and the City Council meeting of February 24th, 2020.
So moved.
Second. All in favor?
Aye.
The minutes have been approved. The next item is a proclamation declaring March 10th, 2020 as Tibet Day. Okay. I will go up to the dais, and then after I read the proclamation, I'll ask someone from your organization to come and speak a little bit about March 10th and the Tibet community initiative. Okay. Proclamation of the City of Richfield. Whereas on March 10, 2020, Tibetans will gather in their host countries to commemorate the 61st anniversary of the Tibetan National Uprising against the occupation of Tibet, and to honor more than 1 million Tibetans who have died in this struggle. And whereas the occupation and ongoing suppression of human rights and freedom in Tibet and the continuous degradation of culture, religion, economics, and the annihilation of the Tibetan people's identity should be a concern for all. And whereas Tibetan Buddhism and its spiritual leader in exile, His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama, are recognized for their teachings on compassion, forgiveness, and tolerance. And whereas the Tibetan American Foundation of Minnesota was founded in 1992 and has over 5,000 Tibetan community members, many of whom live in the city of Richfield, is committed to promoting and preserving the Tibetan culture, heritage, and religion. And whereas it is only fitting that we affirm the determination of the Tibetan people in Tibet and in exile to retain their heritage and protect it from the destruction against overwhelming odds and through nonviolence and peaceful means. Now, therefore, I, Maria Regan Gonzalez, Mayor of the City of Richfield, on behalf of the Richfield City Council, do proclaim March 10, 2020 as Tibet Day in the City of Richfield, and call all of the people in Richfield to observe this day with appropriate programs, activities, ceremonies, and to continue to support our Tibetan community throughout the year. Proclaimed this 10th day of March 2020. So I would love to invite somebody from the organization to speak a little bit more about March 10th, about CAFM, about our Tibetan community here in Richfield. For many people who don't know, we have the second largest Tibetan community in Minnesota here in Richfield, and we are proud supporters and partners of your community. So is there someone that would like to come in and share a few words? Thank you.
Good evening, Mayor, City Council members. My name is Stacey Council, and everyone who belongs to the Foundation of Minnesota. We also have the Foundation of Minnesota, Mr. President, Mr. Alashini, and members of different member foundations. Also the residents of the Richfield. On behalf of the Tibetan community, I want to say that we are truly glad
You can do it right here, right in front. I'm just gonna-
Everybody here in the middle.
Okay, so
Can you please meet too? Thank you so much.
All right, if everybody could, right, yeah. Everyone could look up here. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1, and 3, 2, 1. Thanks, guys.
All right, hold on, we got one more.
Okay, I'm gonna keep taking them.
Okay,
Good?
got it.
All right, thanks.